Today's star of the shave is RazoRock XXL brush. Stay tuned for a golden shave. Hi, my name is Jason. You can find me on Instagram as the Golden Age Wet Shaver. Today I'm doing the Razor Company Shave and Chat. And today, to start the shave is RazoRock XXL shaving brush. I'm also using a Haylis 3D printed Balm. Oh my god! I'm silly already, and the video didn't even start. Shababa! I'm using Ethos blood orange soap. I don't have the splash or the balm or whatever they call it, skin food, but I'm using a Stirling orange chill splash with the matching orange chill balm. A nice Merkur 34C with a Gillette platinum blade, and of course my bougie sprayer. Oh man, I've been wanting to use this brush and talk about it or talk something about it. Isn't this brush big? And you know me, as a wet shaver, I'm like, can they make it bigger? I don't know. Oh my god. This brush is good for people who head shave or leg shave. You know, some people shave their back or other areas. I don't know. Well, let's keep this family friendly. Look how it already covered me. This covers a lot of ground. Well, what can we talk about today? I have a lot of things I want to talk about, but I have to filter through because I'm a very quirky person. You know. How about let's talk about things you may not know about me? Okay. Well, in general, I am not a people person. I know that's a shock. But really, I'm not that sociable. It's only this community that brought it out of me. But typically, I'm not. I really don't like the human species. I occasionally look in the sky when it's a clear night. Especially if I'm in the countryside. Where, you know, none of that light pollution gets in the way. And I look, and I try to point out my mind to try to get like a big asteroid to hit Earth and take us out like the dinosaurs. So yeah, that's one of my quirky things. Another thing is, should I talk about it? I don't know. I'm going to think about it and mull over it. So yeah, basically, let's stick to I'm not a sociable person. I'm guessing because it was a mechanism to protect myself when people used to hurt me, or when I allowed people or put myself in a situation where people would hurt me. Look at the ladder. I'm sorry I'm jumping off track, but it's covered a lot of ground. This is 34 millimeter, I believe. Oh man, I want to get that 55 millimeter Badger. I think it's a Badger. Not, yeah. Excuse me. You know me, I try to be consistently consistent without being rigid. I want to protect my neck area, because if I talk a little bit, I may, go. But this is a very forgiving razor. Great for beginners, autopilot. It's like one of those razors you could be a zombie, like, and to have a great shave. Do zombies shave? Do zombies make good people to be friends with? Or are they considered people? Because I know animals could be zombies. I don't know. Look at me going off a rant. I don't make any sense, but I'm like a cogelant. I put it all together at the end. So yeah. Back to something you don't know about me. So I'm really not a sociable person. I'm not into like large crowds. I love my solitude, especially with my cats, but I contradict myself because I want to be a part of an in-person community. Not with all the time, but I do enjoy my solitude, but I just want to be more sociable, and I'm having a hard time going out being social. So doing videos like these, I look over them, it helps me. It encourages me to be more social and, share what I am. People say I'm a nice person. I think I'm a nice person. People say I have a lot to offer. Oh my god, this orange smells so good. Wow. I need to get more bigger knot brushes, because you know me, I like big knots and I cannot lie. Other shavers may deny. Oh my god. Covers so much ground. I'm not anti-teeny weeny naughty shavers. Oh, third pass. But yeah, I have to be in a small gathering and maybe build on it after a while. That's how I'm learning. But I have to learn how to adapt. I live in New York City. It's like one of the biggest cities in the world. I plan everything around the schedule where I know that not many people are out. But I can't do that all the time. What's your opinion on it? Let me know. Oh man. I am so happy. This soap, Ethos. I gotta get more Ethos. So much to get. And so little budget I have. I make the best of what I have. Right? You make the best of what you have, right? You turn chopped meat into Salisbury steak. Or you turn extra parts of the chicken into chicken wings. Or chicken tenders. Or whatever, you know. Like, funny story. Potato chips was created by a guy who, this chef was getting sent back to French fries. It was like, oh, it's too thick, it's too thick. He got so mad at his customer, he just really made it so thick. And the guy loved it, and that's how potato chips are. I know me all over the world, all over the radar. But yeah, let me get back to being social. This wet shaving community that I call my family has really helped me branch out and, you know, because you need to be a little uncomfortable in your life to grow. Because if you're comfortable, you're stagnant. And I've been really struggling to go out and be more social. So yeah, I need to get this off my chest. Because a lot of times when I talk about it and I hear myself or see myself talking about it, it motivates me more. So I apologize if I'm rambling like a fool. But thank you for being understanding. I speak from the heart. And the less I think, the better I talk. That's my motto, you know. Oh. I love this idea. Wipes are baby wipes and adult wipes are so cool. It's multi-purpose. That's all I'm saying. Let me put some of this nice matte. It's not matching, it's a contemporary splash. This is more cooling. Like you have a sweet and a cooling. Like, oh, shababa. Damn. That's a good shave. Oh, shababa. I get no respect. Oh, that's not Rodney Dangerfield. Oh. Wow, you stayed to the end of this video? Thank you so much. Today I used Ethos Soap Blood Orange, Stirling Splash, and Balm Orange Chill, Merkur 34C with a Gillette Platinum blade, my beautiful bougie sprayer, a beautiful Haylis 3D printed bowl, and of course, the star of the shave is RazoRock XXL brush. If you have time, 9 a.m. Eastern time, Saturday morning, go to the Instagram, go to the Razor Company or the Razor Company Live. Watch 4 great people talk about wet shaving and a great audience. And for all your wet shaving needs, please go to therazorcompany.com and you are enough. Thank you.